Hello everyone, welcome to Ravi's Academy. In today's class, you will be learning rectangular hyperbola. How to construct the rectangular hyperbola by means of a problem you will be understanding. So let us refer the problem. A point P is 30 mm and 50 mm respectively from two straight lines which are at right angle to each other. That means you are going to draw a horizontal line OA and a vertical line OB, and these two are perpendicular to each other, and you will be locating point P such that 30 mm is x coordinate and 50 mm is y coordinate. So that is the given point, and with respect to that particular point you will be constructing a rectangular hyperbola. And after that draw the rectangular hyperbola, and is mentioned clearly you have to maintain 10 mm distance between each point. So let us proceed to construct the rectangular hyperbola as per the description of the problem. Let us draw a horizontal line OA and vertical line OB, and locate the point P 30 mm on x-axis, that is x coordinate, and 50 mm y coordinate. Draw a horizontal line and call this as CD, and draw a vertical line, call this as EF, and this particular point is your required point, that is P. About this particular point we will be constructing the rectangular hyperbola. Let us mark randomly along CD 4 points to the right of reference point. This is 1, 2, not necessarily equidistance. You can take randomly 4 points you have taken, and to the left of it you take 1 point. I am calling it as 5. Join all these points, one with the origin, and it is going to intersect at a point. Call this as 1 prime, and draw a vertical and horizontal through 1 and 1 prime, and the intersecting point is your required point, that is P1. Likewise, you proceed to draw the verticals as well as horizontals from each point, and the intersecting point gives you the required points on the rectangular hyperbola, that is P2, P3, and so on. So let us join this with the origin and erect a vertical, and this is your 2 prime. Draw a horizontal, this is required point P2, and join this with the origin, and it is going to intersect at 3 prime. Draw a horizontal and vertical, and this is required point P3, and lastly, so this point with the origin, and it is going to intersect at 4 prime. Draw a horizontal and vertical, right? This is your P4, and to the left of the reference point P also you have 1 point. Join with the origin and extend this. This is your 5 prime, and draw a horizontal and vertical, and you got P5. So join all these points, your P to P1, P2, P3, P4, and up to P5. So let us draw a smooth curve using HB pencil, and you have to ensure that this distance between 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and P to 5, 10 mm, because it's mentioned in the problem. You maintain that it is a 10 mm. You need not to mark here. Only thing is you have to follow the guidelines given, because that is mentioned in the problem. Otherwise, you need not follow that. So this is what is exactly the required rectangular hyperbola. I hope you have understood this problem. Let us practice. Thank you.